Hi, all. I'm coming on today for my mini reading for those of you who haven't seen me. And I'm popping up and you're guided towards me. It does not have to be the whole message, it could just be part of it. I'm just confirming it's a positive love and confirmation you have loved ones guiding and supporting you. This is an extended from my TikTok channel. And okay, something about sunburst, sunshine. I got daisies, I got sunflowers, all this before I even come on. There's this image that I'm getting on my paper here. Cloudy days, sun will shine. The sun will shine again. I'm seeing the tree of life. You're connected, your strength. Okay, I guess they didn't want me to finish, but TikTok is a snippet. You can head over there. I do energy healing at the end. If you don't want that, that's fine. You can email me. My email's in the description box. I have an enlightened group on Wednesdays from 12 to 1. If you'd like to join that group, it's messages, guidance, meditations, whatever's needed in the moment, energy healing, Monet, I don't know. Monet is coming up. And it's paintings. Release your creative side. 10, 8, 2, 6, 5, 11. This is all, all of this is about seeing the sunlight within you. See the light within you. Bring it to you if it's not there. Like today, I talked about this before. I was guided towards this shirt, and I know it's yellow, I know it's tie-dye, but it's comfortable and I love it, and I like the color because it's bright and it's a little bit of a dreary day, and it's been overcast. So any way that I can bring some more light into my space, that's what I do. I just create that. I have candles. I light them. I make sure all my blinds. Something about letting the light back in. Um, don't pull. Don't pull. I don't know. Don't pull the mask back on. Don't pull the mask back on. Be you. Embrace you. Embrace yourself and all your qualities. Because our qualities, even if they're flaws, they're ours. They're ours, and we learn from them. We grow from them. So I think I had mentioned someone that I follow said that that little bit of that shadow work. Sometimes it's not. It's a gem. It's a gem because if you're learning from it and you're seeing, I'm seeing bows and butterflies. Okay, uh, you learn from that. You learn from it. So they are a gem because if you're growing from it and you're healing from it, that's a gem. And if you're aware of it, that's we all have those within us. We all have things we need to heal. You're not alone. Tucker, I don't know. I'm hearing Tucker. Someone said tuckered out. Okay. Um, Virgo, Gemini. I know that's coming up. Taurus, Sag, Aquarius, Libra, J, M, W, T, Y, N, B, S, A, and E are the initials. Okay. Getting something about which path will you take? Which path will you take? What road? It's a fork. There's doors opening for you. Doors are opening for you. No right or wrong. There's still something you need to learn, and you'll go that way. If you're ready to move forward and bring more in, then you'll be guided, and you'll know, and it'll feel safe. There's no right or wrong. I don't know. They just keep saying no right or wrong way. We all have uniqueness. Abilities. Struggles. Okay. Battles. Okay, someone's in their head. In head. 33. Angels. You have angel and protection. Make that connection. Get if you need to find someone to guide you, to teach you, to mentor you, and with spirit, then seek that and ask for that guidance, and those questions can help you get them answered, is what I'm hearing. We don't all go through exact experiences, but we have similar experiences, and if we can learn and grow from the wisdom of others, it's beneficial. Sun's coming out. The sun's coming out, so that's for somebody. It's shining. We'll take it. I'll take it if it's every few minutes. I'll take it, right? Okay, something about ducks. I'm hearing ducks. Okay, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. I'm going to do the energy healing, so if you do not want that, that's fine. Just leave a comment either way so you can get into this energy space. Nice deep breath in again and a deep breath out. I'm hearing muddling through. I'm hearing stagnant, muddling through stagnant energy. Okay. Let's balance. How can you balance that? What can you do to step out of your comfort zone? What is it? One little leap, one little step. What can you do differently today that you haven't? Okay, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Leave a comment, love and blessings, and keep sparkling.